Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Ocean Zero beach chairs. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if these Ocean Zero beach chairs are worth it. Ocean Zero beach chairs overview. Ocean Zero beach chairs fabric and plastic parts are made with 100% recycled plastic, which is eco-friendly. The chairs come with mesh backrest and armrest, making them perfect for comfort. The backrest allows you to sit low on the ground and tilt back at a perfect angle to relax and spread your legs. They have adjustable straps that make it easy to transport your chairs. They have a cooler pouch that you can use to keep your snacks and drinks. The carry pouch in the chairs can hold cell phones, towels, and other items. They are durable and tear-resistant, making them suitable for outdoor use. You can use them for beach vacations, camping, picnics, lawns, or balconies. These chairs meet all your outdoor needs. What we liked: they are made of recycled plastic, so they are eco-friendly. They have a cooler pouch and a storage pouch. Adjustable straps. They're durable. What we didn't like: the aluminum frame is prone to rust. Features: design and comfort. The Ocean Zero beach chairs have mesh backrests and armrests, thus making them comfortable. They are also designed with adjustable backpack shoulder straps that make it easy to carry. The backrest and armrest make the chairs comfortable. The 110-degree backrest allows you to sit low on the ground and tilt back at a perfect angle, thus allowing you to relax and extend your legs. Convenience: the Ocean Zero beach chairs have a cooler pouch that you can use to keep your snacks and drinks, and a storage pouch for storing things like towels and phones. This helps you organize your items, thus avoiding misplacement and disarray. Durability: these eco-friendly chairs made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastics are durable, tear-resistant, and cannot rip. They are easy to clean and do not easily stain. Who is the Ocean Zero beach chair best suited for? The Ocean Zero beach chairs are best suited for anyone who loves being outdoors, whether at the beaches, picnics, or balconies. They are effortless to carry and use. Verdict: should you get the Ocean Zero beach chair? The aluminum frame might disappoint you because it is prone to rust. However, the Ocean Zero beach chairs are eco-friendly and easy to carry. The cooler pouch and storage pouch make them efficient to use. They have armrest and 110-degree backrest, making them suitable for relaxing because of their comfort. Thus, you should buy the Ocean Zero beach chair if you love staying outdoors. Thanks for watching.